Today, Redmi K30 PUBG gaming review. This phone processor Snapdragon 765. It's a brand new processor. This processor support HDR on PUBG game. What do you think, guys? Let's check it out. Okay, on the game is loading. On the settings, yep, guys, this is the Snapdragon 765. It doesn't support HDR. I don't know because it's a review unit. Some issues. I don't know. Then I'm set the auto graphics adjustment off and maximum level settings. I am play with maximum level settings. Any lag or any issues in PUBG game? Let's check it out.